Alright, first long trip will be 20 miles, 10 miles out, 10 miles back, and full charge. Some pedaling, of course, well, a lot of pedaling, I hope. But I have no idea how far the bike can go, because there's so many variables, especially the pedaling. I'd have to do it all pedaling to see, but without pedaling, it is. I'm not going to do that right now. Right now, I'm just going to go and see how it goes. And it's kind of warm outside, so I'm sweating probably.
Alright, here we are, going through the, I don't know what to call it, back path of Livermore. It's sort of a trail that allows you to go through the city, kind of the south side of the city without traffic. I mean, bikes, people walking, that's about all you'll see in this. And maybe e-bikes too, at least one. But yeah, so I'm not really throttling right now, I'm just pedaling, and of course the bike weighs 56 pounds now instead of like 30, so I added 26 pounds to it. That's alright. Alright, we'll keep going. It's kind of picturesque, it's nice. And I got it on low power mode, of course. You know, at first I wasn't totally sure what kind of bike I needed. You know, mountain bike or a road bike, but yeah, I've just been going on stuff like this, a little off trail. Thought it was a trail for a while, but not the trail. There's the trail again. I'm getting the trail, but I mean, yeah, this is why I definitely chose what I needed. And again, I didn't know exactly at first, but you kind of have to just really think through. What do you want to be going on, rocks or just road? I can go on road with the road bike, but I can't go on off-road with the road bike, but I can go on road with the mountain bike, so there you go. But this thing does weigh a ton now. It's a lot. It's 56 pounds. And me, and a backpack. So, yeah, it all adds up. It's funny how some things don't change, and it's actually kind of cool. This pit, whatever it is, has been here for, I mean, since I was a kid. It just, you know, it's so much commercialization and just industrial development, residential housing, whatever. You'd think, hey, a piece of land, build houses, build homes, build whatever. I mean, there's probably a reason. Maybe there's like toxic waste underneath, I don't know. But for whatever reason, this is maybe it's just a part of the park. And there is a playground over there. This is tiny. But it's not really used as a park here, obviously. It's just dead land. But it is kind of neat. I'm surprised. I haven't, needless to say, I've not been here. And, I mean, I don't know, way over 15